Good morning, my name is Mike Goss, and I have this beautiful 1972 Aero 2 for sale, and my asking price is $150,000, and I will be having a mechanic who did all the work on this give a presentation. Thank you.
I'm an A&P IA, and I have been working on and inspecting this PIPER PA28R-200 Aero 2. It is in great working order, and it does have the nice upgraded wingtip lights, and I did just replace the right tip light bulb assembly. Stabilator is in great working order. It did just get new bearings, the hinge bearings, also within the last 100 hours. Standard beacon, nav light, good working order. All right, now this Aero has a freshly overhauled engine, about 100 hours while this is at the time that this is being filmed. New alternator belt, new starter, overhauled mags. All this was done at engine overhaul. Brand new prop governor, brand new oil cooler down in here. We have reinstalled the vacuum pump. Overhauled fuel servo. We did send out, overhauled, repainted the engine cradle with all new attaching hardware, all new engine board mounts, and a three-bladed prop. Okay, and then also at this engine overhaul, this prop was changed and upgraded to a brand new McCauley three-bladed prop and spinner assembly. The landing gear was gone over, and any bearings that needed replaced were replaced in the landing gear and rigged. Gear swings were done. Okay, and this will come with an aviation battery tender, standard tow bar. It does have, we did replace a brand new Concord battery in May of 2024. We installed, we upgraded the co-pilot side to have tow brakes. So there are now tow brakes on both pilot and co-pilot side. Has a Garmin 430. A Stratus transponder, a second radio, Garmin radio SL30. It does have a reference only GPS 396, a CD player for nostalgia.